program?
The program was very good. It was a good initiative. We learned a lot of things from here, and this is such an informative program. And I think this has to be, it has to be spread among all the important institutions and schools here in the present district, now KOKRAJHAR district area. Thank you. And yes,
Yes, tell.
and this has to be promoted further, even out of the district also. Among all the 5 districts of BTR, this has to be promoted. And this is a great job by NSS unit of St. Anne's. Today, I think we have, you're talking about St. Anne's School, St. Anne's College, right?
In your school?
In our school, we have not yet started this NSS because it's in the school level right now. So let's see, we are looking for better in the future, for better participation in the future. Yes, sir. And great job by the volunteers from St. Anne's College, right? Thank you for that.
First time?
Yes, it is the first time. This has been the first program here in our school. And yeah, that's it.